Okay folks, I thought I'd just give you a behind the scenes of how I shot the Perseids shower overnight. Obviously there's been a lot of hype about the total eclipse that we had yesterday, and I figured that it wasn't a good idea to try photographing that with normal equipment, including some of the filters I've got, but I didn't want to damage my cameras or anything like that. So and then I remembered, of course, that we're right in the season for the Perseid showers, which are the meteorites that show up at this time of year. So I thought, well, I know what I can do. So I set my iPhone up. Now this is an iPhone 16 Pro, but it'll work on most iPhones. And I set it up on a tripod. I've got this is a Freewell tripod, carbon fibre, really lightweight, and it's got a simple phone clamp mounted on the head, so it's adjustable and angled. And I've got this device, which is actually a really clever little thing, and it's made by a guy in Australia called Dale Lotherington. I'll put a link to his YouTube in the description of this video, so you can find him. And he makes this little thing. Basically, it's got a USB-C power, so you power it from something like a power bank, and that's what I did. I just hung this power bank on the bottom of the tripod, run a USB lead to this little device, and then that connects to the phone via Bluetooth. And when you open the camera app, that device then fires the camera every 30 seconds. So obviously as we go through the night, the camera on the phone is in night mode, and it fires every 30 seconds, and it enables us to build a time lapse. And what you see that I've produced here is a little over 700 photos out of that time lapse, and I've put it on in a couple of different formats. I've run it forward as a video that shows the light trails, then I've put another piece in with a longer duration that shows the stars as they move but without the trails, and then finally I've put the light trails back in and reversed it. So I've put a bit of music to it. I really hope you enjoy it, and I just thought it's a refreshing change from some of the other videos I put up. Thanks very much for watching, and please remember to both like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.